If you follow our videos, you should already know how wonderful ginger is. This root is one of the oldest and most effective for healthcare in the world. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory, able to fight against heartburn, bloating, nausea, and vomiting. It's also capable of aiding in weight loss, protecting the stomach from ulcers, and preventing some types of cancer. But another plant in the ginger family is just as powerful as ginger. It's turmeric. Originating in Asia, turmeric is a popular spice worldwide. It's used to give color and flavor to dishes. But the benefits of this seasoning don't stop there. Just like ginger, it is able to treat a myriad of problems that affect our health. One of these benefits is that it is an excellent remedy for treating the flu and common colds. For this, just mix turmeric with honey. Several surveys have shown that turmeric has the ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. The other ingredient in the recipe, honey, isn't very far behind with its natural antibiotic ability. In addition to being a powerful bactericide, honey is antiviral and fungicidal. That means it also fights viruses and fungi. According to a study by Salve Regina University in Newport, Connecticut, honey is one of nature's most potent bacterial killers. This recipe will strengthen the immune system and help combat the agents that cause the flu. Unlike antibiotics normally sold in pharmacies, this recipe is completely natural and will not disrupt your digestion and the balance of your intestinal flora. Those who use this simple home remedy are impressed by it. Here's how to make this powerful antibiotic and natural anti-flu syrup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 100 grams of pure honey, preferably organic. Instructions: put the turmeric and honey in a glass bowl. Mix them well and then transfer the mixture to a glass jar, keeping it sealed tightly. How to use it. To treat a flu, virus, or cold, we suggest: Day 1, half a teaspoon every hour until 6 p.m. Day 2, half a teaspoon every 2 hours until 6 p.m. Day 3, half a teaspoon every 8 hours. Remember, if you have diabetes, you should consult your doctor before consuming honey. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.